Welcome friends. Today we are going to study 5 best free blogging sites part 1. Are you looking for some free blog sites to help you start sharing your writing with the world? Whether you just want to share updates with your family and friends or you want to start a blog and build a broader audience, we have put together 5 great sites in part 1 where you can start a blog for free. We will also try to steer you towards the specific platform that's best for you so that you can easily create a blog for free. Friends, we happily welcome you to the Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel. To get the best information first, subscribe to Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, like this video and share this video. Here's what you need to know. 1. WordPress. WordPress powers 30% of the internet as we know it today. The reason WordPress owns that large of a market share of the internet is because it can help you create an amazing website of your own. Best for people who want to 100% own their blog and customize it. It's perfect for setting up a serious website that you plan to work on long term. WordPress.org is the king of free blogging sites. It is a free platform, but you need to build the site mostly by yourself afterward. You also have to host the software yourself. While you can find some free WordPress hosting, a better long term strategy is to pay a moderate amount for a solid WordPress host. This is where Bluehost comes into play. Not only is it very cheap, just $2.95 per month on the basic plan, but it also provides solid features, including a free domain name, 50 GB of disk space, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL, and 100 MB of email storage per account. At this very moment, Bluehost is the cheapest sensible WordPress hosting you can find out there. Because you are hosting the WordPress software yourself, you have full control over how your site looks and functions, as well as how you make money from your site. But the flip side is that the setup process is a little bit more hands on. On the opposite side, there's WordPress.com, which is the other face of WordPress, a platform used mostly for personal blogs because it's very easy to set up and free if you are okay not having a custom domain. However, you are also quite limited in the way you can customize the site, and especially if your plan is to monetize your blog in any way. The free WordPress.com version will prevent you from doing that. Considering this, we recommend you to get started with Bluehost. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee in place. In case you change your mind with the whole blogging experiment, just ask for a refund. Use the link given below in the description box to get Bluehost hosting. Step Steps for setting up WordPress hosting. 1. Register your domain. 2. Set up hosting. 3. Install WP via cPanel or managed host. Second platform is Wix. Wix has easy to use blogging templates that make writing your first post easy and pain free. And if you need any help, the knowledge base and customer support are great. Best for non teachers who want some regular website functionality along with a blog. Wix is a free website builder that can be totally managed from the front end. The main characteristic of this platform is that it comes with drag and drop options, so you don't have to handle anything in the back end. The design is very intuitive and modern, which can be used by both beginners and advanced. The nice thing about Wix is that it has free hosting included, so you just need to arrange the layouts, pick a template, and you are all set. It provides a nice collection of free and premium themes and templates for different purposes, including blogging. To launch a Wix blog, just sign up and make a choice. You can either let the Wix AI create a site for you based on a questionnaire or build your blog yourself, which includes selecting a template and arranging the layouts via the VCBig editor. If you go with the second option, all you need to do is to find a beautiful template and start customizing everything on the front end in a live preview mode. You can add multiple elements to your pages, from multimedia widgets to backgrounds, menus, typography, forms, video boxes, etc. When you think the site is ready, click publish and start blogging your stories. After publishing, you can return any time to edit the content blocks. Before going towards the next best information, first subscribe to Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel, press the bell icon, like this video and share this video. The third platform is Weebly, best for non-teachers who want some regular website functionality along with a blog. Yes, just like Wix. Weebly is another website builder that you can use not only to blog but also to sell products or showcase your portfolio. It is somewhat similar to Wix to the extent that it provides a WYSIWYG editor with drag and drop element. If you want to add a certain button, you can simply drag it to the page and customize it. The same happens with photo galleries, slideshows, and any other multimedia element. Weebly provides sidebars, media boxes, forms, ad spaces, social media icons, newsletter, subscription, and many more. Moreover, the platform comes with built-in analytics and lets you use your own customized domain for which you need to pay. On the free plan, you get 5 custom pages, a Weebly subdomain, 500 MB storage, and ad spaces. The fourth platform is Medium. Medium is one of the best places to start blogging, best for people who just want to write and looking for access to a built-in audience and don't care about having their own site. Medium is a multi-purpose platform tackling tackling diverse topics where anyone with an account can write. Unlike most other free blogging sites, the big advantage of Medium is that your articles will be exposed to a wide audience since the platform is visited by 60 million readers per month and the number increases every year. It's super simple to use. You pretty much just sign up and start writing. But the downside is that all your content is on Medium. That is, you are not really building your own space like you would with WordPress. The fifth platform is Ghost, best for people who need something simpler than WordPress, for instance, but offering a modern vibe at the same time. This is another WordPress like blogging platform. While the Ghost software can be downloaded for free, you need paid hosting for fuel. DigitalOcean is a great service that supports Ghost. It is cheap and comes with a bunch of nice features to get you started. To create a post in Ghost is easy. Once you set up your website, the editor is simple and minimalist, and it offers a live preview of your text on the right side of the screen. On the front end, you get a medium vibe, so it's nice. Near the editor screen, there is a sidebar with settings where you can choose your preferences. How to create a blog in 6 easy steps. 1. Pick a descriptive name for your blog. Use domain wheel to find the perfect domain name for your blog. Second, buy a domain and get hosting for your blog. We recommend buying hosting from Bluehost from $2.95 per month and getting your domain name free of charge. 3. Install WordPress. You can install WordPress via the Bluehost interface with a few quick clicks. Fourth step is find the perfect WordPress theme or template. Personalize the design of your blog to match your taste. 5. Get some must-have WordPress plugins and add-ons. Give your blog more features like social sharing and image optimization. 6. Launch your blog and start sharing your voice with the world. Start writing, sharing, and engaging with your followers on your favorite subject. Friends, also listen the part 2 of another 5 free blogging platforms. To get the best information first, subscribe to Top Digital Prosperity YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, like this video and share this video. Thank you very much.